Hi guys, today I'm reviewing the new mini mechanical gaming keyboard. It's very clicky and I really like it. It has nice beautiful colors. It's a very good keyboard for gaming. Now listen to the sound. Really good. Very good. So I decided to test this into the dark. And it was pretty good. I like the colors, how it shined really bright. So then later on I decided why not put my mouse and keyboard together and leave it in the dark. It's pretty good, isn't it? I like how the colors shine really bright. So cool. And I like my gaming mouse. It sets with my keyboard. I thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video.